In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily enhance your Microsoft Word documents with emojis and some fun wordplay to make your content a bit more lively and engaging. So whether you're crafting a presentation, writing a report, or even just looking to add a little flair to your notes, these simple steps are perfect for you. Let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word file. This can be any existing document you're working on or even a new blank file if you're starting fresh. Once you have your document ready, it's time to add some fun elements to it. And what better way to start than with emojis? Now here's a quick and nifty trick. By pressing the Windows key along with the period key, that's the Windows plus period key on your keyboard, a lovely emoji bar will appear at your disposal. This emoji bar allows you to scroll through a vast selection of emojis that can help convey emotions, ideas, or simply add some color and character to your document. It's like giving your words a voice or a personality that might not transcribe as well through text alone. So feel free to browse around and select any emojis you feel are right for your message or theme. It's pretty intuitive and fun. Next, let's move on to mixing things up with some words. For our example today, we'll be playing with the names of fruits, nice and simple yet effective. Go ahead and type the words apple, grapes, orange, and lemon into your document. These aren't just any random fruits, they're colorful and vibrant, just like the emojis you're adding. And to add an element of spontaneity or perhaps disguise a hidden message, let's sprinkle in some random letters or words between the fruits. This could be anything from an alphabet sequence, fun noises like bloop or zap, or even a secret code or message if you're feeling particularly creative. This is your opportunity to personalize and add uniqueness to your document. Now just take a quick moment to review your document. By now, it should look more interesting and engaging, thanks to those colorful emojis and an assortment of fun and quirky words. This little exercise not only helps in making your documents more visually appealing, but also in breaking the monotony of just plain text. And with that, you're done. I hope this tutorial offered you a few creative ideas for using emojis and words to spice up your text documents. It's a simple yet effective way to breathe some life into your writing. Thanks for watching and happy document decorating.